Welcome to Kid Crew. Today, we're collecting trash with our garbage truck. Here's the first house. Dump the recycling into the hopper. Then get in and lift it. It really works. Dump it in the back. Score!
Oh, good.
Press the lever forward to lower the hopper. Right now, we're picking up recycling. Here's another house.
I love garbage.
Here he comes. This is a front-load garbage truck. It works for both residential cans and dumpsters. Look at all that stinky trash.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Pull the lever back to raise the hopper. Bullseye! I love the beacon. Here's the driver's seat. Dad is working in the garage and filling his dumpster.
Oh, that's full. I need to call for a trash pickup.
I'll be right there.
The dumpster is so full. Here comes the garbage truck and puts the forks into the dumpster. Perfect. Away goes the trash. Put the dumpster back down.
Thanks.
Back up. Let's go on the next part of our trash route. The sidewalk has 3 cans along it that need to be picked up. Do you think they will all fit in our recycling truck? Let's try. 1, 2, 3. They did! Dump into the back and continue the route. This house has another dumpster. Let's go collect it. Fork it. Then lift it up. These actuators raise and lower the arms. Dump.
Oh no, my folks and brother are broken. I need a tow truck. Hey, okay, I'll be right there.
We're driving our tow truck to do a rescue. It's really strong. Line up the hook. Then spool out the winch cable. Hook it to the garbage truck. Then retract it.
Oh, this is heavy.
Then pull away. Oops, it's too heavy.
What's happening?
Okay, reverse.
I better fix it here.
Fix the arm and the motor.
Good, it worked.
Drive the tow truck away so we can keep using the garbage truck. It's too heavy. I need help.
I can help you.
We can use the garbage truck's arms like a forklift. Line it up and lift the heavy load. That's easy. Let it back down and drive away. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we need to take our load to the transfer station. We're full. We'll load it into this can with the tractor and then follow it to the landfill. Turn on the beacon for reversing. Then back into the transfer station. I like the sound of the backup alarm. Dump the load and pull away. Now start the tractor. And push the trash with the front end loader. Wow, right in! Let's park it.
That was easy.
Now Dad is taking out the trash for a real garbage truck on trash day. Here it comes!
Ah, it's what thing?
It's dumping its hopper, just like our toy garbage truck. And now it's lowering its Corrado can. There goes our trash. Now it can go one of 3 places. First is a landfill. The garbage is dumped from garbage trucks and semis. Or unloaded with cranes. Then it's compacted and covered with earth. It's a bit of a mess, but we don't want trash in our wildlife. Organic waste, like plants, can be handled differently. Here they are, chipping yard waste to make mulch and compost. Lastly, there's recycling. Let's learn how it works.
This is how recycling works. First, recycling trucks come to a recycling center and dump their loads. Look at all that. A huge challenge of recycling is that everything is mixed together. So it first gets brought into the facility and then is sorted. Here are metal cans that were separated from other recyclables. They are compressed into bales for shipment. Paper, glass, and plastic is also packaged. These materials then become inputs to new products, from planes to boats and even park benches.
Oops!
Seems like after people dump trash, they put it upside down.
Yeah. I wonder why.
I think so water doesn't collect in it.
Thank you for watching, Kid Crew. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate you.